Start. It is unfortunate that the appeal made by Honorable the Home Minister that this bill should be discussed in a practical manner, taking into consideration the realities that we are facing, the complicated nature of the problem that we are facing has been ignored. There have been attempts on the part of some of the speakers who spoke on this bill to take up a partisan attitude, an attitude based more on some of the principles that were held dear by them rather than in terms of the realities before us. There is no use ignoring the fact that the desire of our constitution makers was that within 15 years since 26 January 1950, when the constitution came into force, India would be in a position to solve the problem of official language in the various parts of the country. The various points of view that were expressed them in parliament would be taken into account by the government and by the people, and serious attempts would be made to see that some solution could be found. The bill that is before us is really an admission of our failure to solve the problem of official language. It is true that this bill does give a new life to English as the official language, and that too for an indefinite period. Why had we to do this when there was a general desire on the part of the constitution makers that on the 26th January 1965 Hindi shall be the official language? It was the wish of the constitution makers that on the 26th January 1965 Hindi should be the official language, and that wish of the constitution makers has not been fulfilled because of the fact that we are not able to make full use of the 15 years that were available to us in order to find out an acceptable solution to the problem of the official language. During these last 15 years, there has been a rapid progress of the regional languages, including Hindi, but Hindi has also developed more as a regional language than as a language which has spread throughout the length and breadth of the country, and which has been made more acceptable during that period. We have to find out the reasons why it was not possible within the last 50 years